Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your JVC KW-R400 Car Radio is showing a miswiring error, it can be confusing and even a bit alarming, especially if the unit suddenly shuts off or won't play sound. Many people assume the stereo is faulty, but this message is actually a protection feature that activates when there's a wiring issue, like a short circuit or incorrect speaker connection. It's designed to protect both the radio and your car's electrical system. The good thing is that in most cases, you can fix this issue yourself by checking a few key connections. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the car and disconnect the radio power supply. Step 2. Check all speaker wires for loose ends. Step 3. Ensure each speaker wire is connected to the correct terminal. Step 4. Look for any damaged or exposed wiring causing a short circuit. Step 5. Reconnect everything securely and reset the radio. Step 6. Turn the system back on and confirm the error is gone.